internet. Is it bad? I think it's bad. Do you know what hypothetical is? It's an idea for discussion, not necessarily true, but fun to discuss. I'm not familiar that in good internet. Okay, thank you. Kaayo, besh. Grabe basaan ako, besh, ay. Why puwas ang uwan, besh? You have been to another island in Philippines, Ellen? No. Wala na diri Toledo karon. May pa diha kay wala diri. Sige na balik-balik. Nagkanga-kanga naman ko ani, besh. Hello, Rob. From Filipino yung Rick. Hello, Webby. Hello, MM daw. Laban. Laban lang alaksan. Kung sa mo, kinikapingot akong ilong na English. Nagagulos na ako sa English kay ang uwan na sige balik-balik yun. Duway hunong-hunong. Buang like, oh, baby, I cancel my membership. No! MM! Don't do that. Don't do that to like MM. Kagili-gili ba? Like, I think MM feels left out. Always joking, MM. Oh, you're always kidding, man. Like I said, hello to everyone. So, you're gonna tampo na sa MM? Are you gonna tampo to like a MM? Because like I not said hello to you? Can't wait till you get your channel monetized. Yeah, sana. Soon, maybe Mako. Hopefully soon. Laika is very guapa and so very fashion, but she doesn't notice me. Are you going to kuan MM? Load rasad? You know what load MM? Are you crying a lot, Emma? MM is so funny. Very joker. Always joker. Charot lang. Charot din mo, MM.